games of hoops on a Tuesday. You're locked into the one and only Top 5 on NBA.com. At number 5, it's Magic Mamba dropping the dime to the rookie along the baseline. Kobe with the sweet dish to the kid as Russell gets a little reverse lay-in here for the purple and gold. On to number 4, and passing is in fashion in LA as Lou Williams sets up Larry Nance, who crams this all over John Henson. Look at the extension at number 4. On to number 3, and it's the number 1 draft pick getting 6. Karl Anthony Towns throwing down on the rebound for the Minnesota Timberwolves at number 3. We head to Boston for number 2, and the King is around for a hanging reverse throwdown in Beantown. His teammates are going crazy as LeBron rises and shines on this divine reverse jam for the Cleveland Cavaliers. But at number 1, you know what to say. Get out the way for Rudy Gay. The Sacramento King puts on his jetpack and absolutely smacks Pat. Patrick Beverly gets crushed on, and Rudy Gay is number 1 on the NBA.com Top 5.